Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In this video, we're going to share with you a friendly calculation to find your drill point measurements for drawer pulls or door pulls. This is going to alleviate you having to go out and buy that obnoxiously big jig. Let's go out to the kitchen and get started. All right, YouTubers, in the kitchen now, and in a previous video, we used a precision guide tool to drill holes in our doors to install our knobs. In the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to do that, we have a video scrolling above. Definitely check that out. However, in this video, we are going to install a pull on our right drawer. And I want to show you a friendly measurement or calculation or trick that you can do to alleviate you having to go out and buy that big bulky jig to find your center points. First thing you want to do is measure your pull, and you will know the measurements between holes because it will show on your package. In our case, the screw hole on the left side to the right side is exactly 3 inches. So let's use that 3 inches. Grab your measuring tape, starting with the left portion of the drawer, come all the way over, and you want to make a 3-inch marking, as you can see right there. I've got my 3-inch marking that I've already put there, as you can see. Now we want to go all the way to the right side and measure from the right edge all the way to that 3-inch marking. Again, from the far right edge of the drawer, come all the way to that 3-inch marking, and you can see 25 1/4. Now what we'll do is divide 25 1/4 in half, and that gives us 12 5/8. Next, take your measure, go all the way back to that right edge, and you want to measure in 12 5/8. Make a marking. I already made my marking to make it convenient for you, as well as be able to hold this camera while I give this measurement trick. So there's your marking. Now what you'll do is go all the way to the left side and all the way to the edge and in 12 5/8 and make your marking. At this point, we've got our 2 markings that are centered from the left side of the drawer and the right side of the drawer inward. Now we need to find our middle point from top to bottom. And to do so, what I will do is take the measure and align it properly, be as precise as possible, and from top to the bottom portion is exactly 4 1/2. And what is half of 4 1/2? That becomes 2 1/4. And there is my 2 1/4 marking there. And do that for both sides. Go all the way to the top portion there, and there is 2 1/4. Now we've got our drill points. As far as the drill bit size, that will depend on the size of the screw that is going to be used in your pulls. From here, we are going to align our drill bit to that marking, and standard size is 11/64, and that is the exact size of this drill bit. Once you get your drill bit on your dead center marking, apply pressure. That's going to make a slight indent in the wood, and once you start drilling your hole, it's going to alleviate the chances of your drill bit running, slipping, or sliding. And as you do this, just be patient and go slow. And align your drill bit perfectly on your second marking. Apply the pressure and slowly drill. Next thing I recommend is vacuum. Next, grab your screws and insert them. Next, align your pull and hand tighten your screws. And once they're hand tight, you can tighten them and secure them with your Phillips screwdriver. After securing the screws, you will notice that your new pull is dead centered in the drawer.